I just got some new tactile switches in. Been having the hugest obsession with tactile switches lately. Shout out to Amazon for the 4 a.m. overnight shipping. Pretty blue. Can't wait to hear what they sound like. Nice and smooth. I love the tactile bump. And I'm just going to test this out right now on what I have here, but I have to figure out what board I want to put these on. Maybe I should turn this off. I love the tactile feel, but they're nice and smooth. Because these switches right here are very smooth. I just got, this is actually my first Keychron keyboard, you guys. So I know nothing about Keychron. I don't even know what switches these are. I haven't done my research yet. I'm just testing out the board. What do you guys think? What board should I put these switches on? I need some help. If you guys have any suggestions, please leave them in the comments. I appreciate it. And by the way, I got these on the Zon. They were 100 switches for, I think, less than $15. If you guys are interested in checking these out, if you like the sound of them, they'll be in my storefront. 100 switches for less than $15. Not bad at all.